Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Auto. So this is a 2017 Renault Kangoo van. It's electric, but that's neither here or there for this video, because this one is just about the toolkit there in the side. So I get many of these where the jack and the tools are just thrown in there because they can't work out how to put it away, or they could just be lazy, but they will rattle around, and I suspect they can't work out how to put it back in the cradle. And these are a little bit awkward, so I thought I'd make this video, put it up on YouTube, because it might well help someone struggling to get the jack back into that holder. So as I said, this is a 2017 and this has got the later tool holder. These were slightly different on the previous models. The way you can tell is your tool here for undoing the wheel nuts in these sits like that, whereas in the older versions they sat like that and had a holder here for the end. But in this case we're just looking at this variant, which sits like that. I have just had to look at another van in stock to see how that fits in there, because I was struggling, because naturally you would do this up so the jack is flat and then the handle lays very nicely like that. That then snaps down into the holder. It's a bit awkward doing this one hand, but yeah, that snaps down nicely like that and the handle lays flat, and you think, yeah, that's right, that's how it goes. But then when you put this away, just note there is a peg there which sits down in a rubber grommet down there. But when you try to put that peg in the rubber grommet, the handle gets in the way, and someone's been trying to do exactly that because all the paint is scratched off in there, and no matter how you lay that handle, it just doesn't seem to work. So anyway, let's see if we can get this the right way around. So what you want is the handle on this side when it is flat, because like that, obviously that gets in the way and you want that pointing down. So we need to spin it all the way round. Again, very difficult to do one-handed, but then it lays this side on the left side of the jack, and then you lay that flat, pull that out a little bit because it's a bit tight, but that will lay flat like that, and then the clip at the bottom holds the round bit at the bottom of the jack there, and then that clip there holds it there, and then that is in nice and tight. Put the brace in there, snap that down, and then your tow eye goes in here and the loop snaps down in the plastic there. That's very tight, but that is all nicely packaged away now and isn't going to rattle, and we can now get that in the rubber bung down there. And then we do up the nut there which supports it all, and there's quite a bit of thread on there which that hasn't caught yet. Now I'm going to have to put the camera down to do that. Yeah, lining that up is a little bit awkward, but anyway, that's lined up now and is doing up. So yeah, that's in there nice and solid. So anyway, that's how you do it. So I hope that helps.